Hey, I just drew this out real quick to help you guys because I couldn't find a video on this. But if you have a Mercedes-Benz with the navigation stereo that has the optical cable connections and you can't get any sound, I mean, I tried to replace optical cables, everything, it didn't work. But if you look at the back, pull out the radio, look at the back of it. There's two plugs. One of them is used and one of them's empty, and they look pretty much exactly the same. The one that's used is for your power and ground and all that. The other one is actually for speaker wires. So you can use female connectors, or in my case I had another Mercedes for parts and took one of these plugs, trimmed it up a little bit, and made it fit in the other hole. Take that gives you 8 wires. Run those to the trunk. On the left side of the trunk, underneath the carpet, is the amplifier for the stereo. You unplug the big plug off of the amplifier, and there is, I think, 6 sets of wires, something like that, but they're twisted together so you can tell that they're each speaker wires. They'll be twisted together. All you do is run these wires to the trunk to your twisted pair. You'll see the twisted ones in the back. Cut them, splice them, and you'll have a stereo again. So, hope that helps. Sorry, I made a little crappy video, but I couldn't find anybody to help me figure out that problem. So there you go. And my car was a 02 Mercedes S500. So it should work on all the older Mercedes with no sound. If you can't get any sound out of it, that's how you do it. Thanks.